Cashman meeting with the media as we speak. The Yankee general manager reveals that Masahiro Tanaka will go on the 15-day disabled list. At this point, all he's saying is that this is a tender wrist. Underwent an MRI, and he's going on with a tender wrist. As we find out more information, Brian continues to talk. We will get it to you as soon as we can. So the Yankees will have to find a starter for tomorrow. And he had pitched so well his last couple of times out. But he came in today complaining that the wrist was a bit sore. They sent him for an MRI, and he's on the DL for 15 days.
Yeah, they're talking about tendonitis in his wrist and a mild forearm strain, but that his elbow is sound and fine. So that's the information we have now. Stay tuned. You can see a look of concern on his face.